Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name Vira Marita Xantia, my student number 100. I will give critical review of the film entitled Fight Club, which was adapted from the novel by Jack Palahniuk. The film Fight Club is one of the cult classic films. Fight Club is a film adaptation of the 1996 novel of the same name by Jack Palahniuk. The film stars the main actors called the narrator, Edward Norton as Tyler Durden, Helena Bonham Carter as Maria Singer, Peter Changelo as Law. According to the doctor, Fight Club is one of the films that is good at manipulating the audience so they can anticipate the mind-blowing twist at the end of the story. The narrative in this film tends to be heavy and boring, but the audience is not advised to lose focus if they want to parse the clues and arrange them into a whole at the end of the story. For approximately 2.5 hours, Edward Norton will guide you through understanding how a person pulls out of his comfort zone to heal. This film tells the story of a person who has insomnia. The main actors in this film is called the narrator. The narrator has insomnia. He has gone to great lengths to cure his illness. The narrator had gone to the doctor to ask for medicine, but the doctor did not give it. The narrator eventually turns his life around by shopping for luxury furniture and goes to buy drinks at Starbucks despite wanting to cure his insomnia. With that, the narrator ends up going aboard to finish his work. Then he falls asleep thinking that he wants to die while traveling aboard by plane. Not long after, the narrator wakes up and he looks at the seat next to him. It turns out he is sitting at the seat with Tyler, who is a soap maker. Tyler, with his quirky style, satire tells the story using a thick homoerotic element. Brutality, in my opinion, tends to be comedic and is also used to describe lust and divine emotions. The meeting between the narrator and Tyler finally makes a fight club in a haunted house. However, some scenes do lead to meaningless feel things. The strange dialogue also made me need more effort to understand the symbolism in these pictures. As two different souls by Norton and Brad Pitt can tie their chemistry to an imaginary thread that describes a harmony. The plot in this film uses a forward plot, so this film tells stories that are coherent forward without any long backstory. The characters for each character in this film are mostly hard characters, not to mention the atmosphere of this film which tell about violence. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.